for mabusia for Mr. Hopeson Adorye, Mr. Adorye. Adorye, field operations manager, the man you pinche BM say or train luggage. And Chevy was now, them guys I will fly you.
Yeah, fly over.
Hey, Mr. Adorye, Adorye. Yami Adom, patches if you have a code here. I face here and Walandisa. Okay.
And Komono, you're veteran baby Gagra.
Okay.
But before then, Mame Emo Ghana Police Service, Director General MTTD, Memona Baso. And Ra issue be a CA. IGP in Fadaninko Airport Police Station, MTTD.
Okay.
As I said, reshuffle, like one transfer growth from there. They are making the police service unpopular. Share a year basis here, say police for a bad bribe with your money. Decaying, needing I'm by every airport. MTTD.
My witness be that.
I ran some 4 people here.
Okay.
Meka. My package you hold the whole of last year in Tukano.
Okay.
But me ye can't say roadworthy and insurance. And say package you near paying you fratu. T ye coco tobi or China. And a buyer just say ye fix a card. Come fix a card ye. Or more fanco and conquer ye roadworthy and insurance. Nipa no obey no so war head office. Let me boy no family no ye can no fanco. Adam Mujinano. You know na awu April.
Okay.
Ye nyusuka no. Even engine no crab be drew. I may say May ending. And ye de ekokoma fitani. Enti July yimu I'm say 3rd week in July. And wo ye you buy. The one de mu asia ye no. Ye say obunkonko ye yi. Wo mu ye bibia na se wo kɔ ye. Na me ka che police de ni say. Wo kɔ DVL. Se betimi a onyi ndia. Wo de di na chi. One call DVL and Quanko Yadi na chino. Well, do what do a come and I say one call the chino. That one, I agree with you. Mina Masumano say wonko. What am I saying? I didn't a man pay to Yinka, Anfaka dances one fanco DVL, a black roadworthy, aye. Near that way, Yinano. Number who direction oko. Alam catch a bonus one train. Number pong a TV programs here, maybe. Wase oji kiri na msema nfaki no mano mia meba me kwa no mo ayire ni se so afaki na ma de o mu piana kwa kwehye ses ana boy ni jaki no mano ana mko na msia kan ya media
okay
ya yeka road worthy yes okọ ye kan ni say DVL wan faka na nkọ a ye nya road worthy no emma look at the nonsense argument and what they may say. And ye yanko twa insurance no mebo ho na afi o makwane yentu kan ko and what will be the difference ne ebema car no asi kwan so no any road worthy no ono so no se wan fa nko physically a enya de a ye be ya ma insurance de obi abetima ye eti ma yenko ne yenko ye wo pese ye wie kra ye de ba hodum no wahwe waseda Adam Kachenselo, we are talking as man to man. I don't like a situation where you go have those kind of things.
But police for the same of famous, only your right so much check. So only I didn't
know your right. But what I'm saying is, look, Oko Germany, Oko Toka, baby, I will talk. Oh, baby, say, are you ready to register now? Oka say, Anya, no amount crater.
Okay.
You are going to DVL straight. Say what travel 50 meters, won't be my back.
Okay.
Yacho. What will you tell no? If you don't know, some people don't from the president wa tokano to DVL office. What tra DVL na unya yinano watumra.
Yeah.
Eti nyena no de make na make chen say yes. Nipa no ekọ akọ yade no. Without the car, yet be dem ma. No akọ time active and I'm say they are working can what you would.
And so Mr. Adorye, that point now we're making.
Yes.
Germany ni other European countries near America now.
Yeah.
And can be fine. So what you say?
America.
Road where the newu.
And
when we say
what be say can I say without the physical car yet to be road where the mount. That is why we should reason. Let us reason that way. Without the physical car, Obia di hon mo be road ready certificate the amount.
Okay.
So the car must go there.
So one fan ko hwa.
One fan ko hwa.
Okay.
And me say car India say afed the India too.
Okay.
Car no.
Okay.
So car must go to DVL office. I say hunu no mudi no. What you say? Hwe. And make say me call director general no.
Yeah.
Me catch no say oh under normal circumstances no. Say I didn't would ya in case it's a seal road.
Yeah.
But in Tremuna where the Kasega were reasonable. So from her, why no who say the road where they were what they see to you castle and what deviated. Give you one example.
Your friend sit to you castle could deviate. You took an and
but maybe you hold more. This America say mandatory. What town will come, mammy? That's a matter of car. Won't me two number plate. And Casame Faka don't go home. And Jaduma will be an obeyamo. So the two of you will put the car on the towing car. But because I was tongue, Hopeson a change of ownership. I say sit towing car so. It drew on moi a year before then. Ghana Police Service. Look, I will meet the IGP myself on airport police. You can say MTTD. They are corrupt. But on this matter,
but on your matter, no, they won't even conclude. They say they are corrupt.
Man, that's not what you
I
so I've been seeing them all the time.
Who be a crying, a chimney be a chimney be won't even conclude. They say they are corrupt.
Oh, I said that
okay, well,
what I say, but I'm saying he said the people there are corrupt. They are corrupt. They need to reshuffle them. Bring people from other places. What do you go Guada, Achia Vis, Sugako Penny and Yadi, Namu the Hofo the Baby Airport?
Mamu from Comanso.
I have a dear Manso. Mamufa and Quadia Hodum. I heard of no one to tell you. So many that cast I do almost give you by a better. I don't say what you. I don't know.
Right, I want to say one iron. Obi are baby,
Daddy, nipa no obi ba foforo sana o mo de nkrofo ba foforo sana before say o mo ebeye ehu system no me na che na nkrofo ho ato mo o ti ase so mo ye ne sa reshuffle
who beto e fu e de no
na mo ye fu e de me pese me ye one correction.
Okay,
go eye government of Ghana ana other OMCC no eye private. Aban essay or absorb 2 cities. True of us.
True.
In Tumuna na etunu na say diesel equal 19 cities plus. Anameboa.
Depending OMC.
No.
That was a
19 cities plus. And Aban say offer 2 cities. And it's a 2 cities are. Then as I say about 17 cities. True of us.
True.
Eti go enye boni first place.
Yeah.
I buy 2 cities now as obono. Aye adwuma.
I reflect.
Now, as I say who say marketing no, competition.
Okay.
Eti Star Oil is a private entity. Me bo mo abaso. So mu throw that challenge, that competition. What you say? Eti wo no there, was yes, I buy wafa 2 cities there. But me angasa so ma fa 1 city aka 2 cities no ho. Aye 3 cities, mateso, me ga 16 plus. It is a nam. That's a God so good. Or motor road 97 or so.
95.
I can't say 95. Road 95. Thank you. So many channel. Me car me use mentor ordinary super muda. Free the one I made the back room have to now. So many channel. Eti me who say Star Oil aye coming. Say me drive to Spinters Road to grab about Kokoto. Because I once a difference na a woman a lot. Because I may fill me tanker a more than 100 liters. Wow. 1 city times 100. Look at the money I'll be saving. So entirely you say, I buy a planning proposal budget. Sika obeji nyina no. Full side go and you obey free warning the agriculture no ewo so na tie no we ababeye emergency yentim free so wate waye other companies so ayeden atete wo mode enti for someone to come lower than goal no so who say that person is a private and is a businessman.
Okay.
I support say yet duty so a man of bafom kakrabi mo sika ba benya no edoso sen ne omoje sisi because e be encouraging crofo mo de nyama ba more the more na nyama eba no the more ana manfo etua a wunye sika it is a star oil at so dia I can tell you say a lot of drivers will be going there.
Oh, Mr. Sewa na me.
It is out you want na say wo who say star oil na cancer sunlight wo bufu e na wo de empty. It's up to you. No person here. No person here. No why? So on there no. Enti say na ne ka ne say na me tie me nua no o ka ne say go na wo ya ba adwuma no wo da ne say no. I say wo say wo na wo ya ban no. Wo ya ba ma. Ye de ye no ye ne na mo nchen ye nka ban no. So on there no. Mo na mo here ska dey develop this country. Anna senka 2 cities no man teso dia enka problem kan ya wuka nyina no ga support you but once our mo atene dia e say who say competition it is all person aban santete so na mo lose revenue dia okay. You have to you now mefa demonstration no entwaso
yeah
ni edikai
oga supporting
na nabi a wodi demonstration animu e organize no number 1 e scan wo pe dia pakoye ni national elections. Oh. So for contesting national vice chairman.
Okay.
Demonstration now or more no. Me matititi. Some budget or modiako 3 million Ghana cedis, which is 30 billion. 30 billion
to 3 region you.
Huh? No. Accra there. Mena me gacho. Dia mate no.
Accra
kwa. Ya da koma ba wumia obetua. Apart from onoso no omo de amema individuals bi omo fi say omo beti ma support omo.
Wow.
Look, the omo ye nyina ye hu a national campaign and omo ye. E do the demonstration omo say omo be go do obo front row do obo hu to kwa be ko hodum. Obi apese ye hu nanim. Omo contest ni nyina ubo say omo eti the omo ye no. Look, omo say democracy under attack. E no ade wo baby. Adam bisa kojo poku she eche na ana democracy is Adam bisa host this media mente brofo ye ka say democracy and attack I kire say ana o chechire bi mu Adam say oh aban we epenso mo say democracy is under attack journalists bi anwane free from ha me obi anfa handcuff ngo minza tamu ana mo say enye under attack no na journalists fo dwane free from ha mi ameti hoi mi ankasa me MPP ne na Akufo-Addo omo che me the hank of eguminsa man koye corruption man koye hwe matena radio so akasa say me contribution me de ba ebo MPP me we ni power ni ye the hank of guminsa de me kokoshe says e ma me court sa over 1 year President Mahama ba na be boss asem nugu ye say we need time for those new man. Police for more evidence no money evidence. I say munto yinunto that's baby mu. Enti no mo ye de e match adu about nothing. Hwe na na bi ho na kasa e wo krom ha say no. Ho na che no. Hwan ana che no. Na de omo kai hwe what trend bi o man started. Hey ana abai no so obechichi MPs. Ye beche mu. Ye do what to office. What your dream? Matiti grab Bobiana and Sapko when they walk ya yinti. Matiti so I negotiation back door. Obetu Sigano. Kakra. Hey, Remacha, Mamon Jessica Biao. Mommy for court first. Make to show Buno Muntia. Mamu Mama Kululu underground. Me say, MPP for your bet Chibu, your bet Jelimu. And that's how I'm to work again. Nanabia and why did National Service, boss names, and start here brand new. Now what that will be say, oh. There is a reason for someone in am free no. There is a me say there is a reason. Enti no am free no.
Oh, okay.
That one we are logo in the data.
Because me share the demonstration here on na say or you organizer will lead. And I make I say buffer stock. COVID-19 report e buy 1.4 million Ghana cedis. Sika etuama ne boroso. Una na ye board. Wo ye board chairman. Aside that kra no. Wo ye board chairman no. Omo kofa emo a asay aspire. E di buy chicha. E wasem ba bobroja. One na mo obi anchi wo.
me say you should thank God for a reason that reason a time will come. That reason will be free hodum. Now when you da move who okroma say. Move who okroma. It is a omoba yi get to near ba besisa ye ba besisa mo a. Hey, omama mo 300 amamunje. Omama 1000 gram menje. Ji 2000 me say 30 billion. Adomwa aja omude kwakwaje esa demonstration we etu kwakwa dream na 1990 obi anya sika ode kwakwa ye na elections eti manje omuma 200 manje je kachom so pe 2000 ya di 2000 mawa wo work at least a half work what's anya sika ode beto bibia di
omo so anu benya omo because obi wa won adwuma ya be sorry say
omo say other political parties united party enka ho
na senya mu kwani ada political party
I wa hefa near him
PNC
Janet that blow said there on the party na ye onungwa
yeah
me no pay you say IGP and transfer airport MTTD
for one scatter omunyina
now obo Swedru division for no so abaso titru omo operations chief inspector Amaglo onimposi di oye papa Yebeka wode the team no wode uza Swedru ye baby a na ehwa shipa oka Ghana baby a shi Swedru ka mo
Swedru de say
so okoye leader team no leader no chief inspector Amaglo Swedru ajo IGP pejanu mu
okay
but demonstration dey di no moko almost day
se kwan ya aban mu maban afa so etichi o mobi kasa na ya che no na obi akasa na ya che no ye be chi MPs
metie ni ya
Wontumi akotum
metie ni ya enhyase no no mo se maami ya court agya no no entikra eno mo ko okay ayo na minu ya panyo sin kase omo agimi me ya na me ya dabi o me se ayo awoka na ya me ya
that's a statement of fact.
Or kawa haya no kan. A
statement of fact.
Na yenyi enkomo we nwie no. Na omo busa omo senti dia na owura ho sin ka kire omo no sa na ti ana. Ende nyame na meka. Pe pa che wo. Ye ti e mai mu hayi se okọ court na court di wa asem. Na ozuzu se asem no anya oda say wa na mo yetu anamo no say court na di wa asem no ebi so chen no fa ko ho enyesa ukọ ho no ono no di na se wa ante ho ase a o sa wo ba bi a o de ko maami ni ha na ye de na ko court ye bu asem no say wadi fo oba ye no abaya nka say woni ha nti wa che no ede na ko say onko dem eno wa ante no ho ase wako appeal court no agya no oja na wo se menti ase na wo de kwahye orajo mama se mbetimi aboa ye pa judge for na omotena case ni so no why the point omko appeal court na me hu ni say demonstration omo ba be yi aye Wontumi a o hye mo ache ho demonstration na omo ye no woni we dey ntia
no mu win 2020 say Wontumi ebepi
omo ye dey
omo win dey
omo win 2020
menfa wa no nkasa de no menfa wa no
aye contest
aye bususem na wo ga no me say bususem menfa wa no nka
wo dey Wontumi nka
dabi aye bususem onyankopɔ nim ni ngofo wo ya yo manyi ngofo wo ya yo manyi 2028
na UP na ebe win
we say
na UP na ebe win
me say Ghana for change and this omo de beba UP me na me ka kire wo that's na wo ga and this I can say MPP in this country
obinya akokodro pa she MPP atare the battle station oni so betimi ne modani adawa abonte on ferre
ade
oba mi yi Ghana card a kirew se Ghana card ne express road no dey na papa just ada ba
no
papa so am interchange na Dr. Frank Amwako hene ada o mo hwa o mo ne owura ko office kwa me Abuja o mo ye no
yeah
ento betimi akogina so ame interchange ni nchen aka cha driver for some nto abamaye no mi busa
Ghana card yes say so am interchange
me yi Ghana card oh but say me didn't know pen drive so
obi oni dia ode koye ne camp
tie ya mon free and crown ko dru boko no on ba boko e wo kwam why ntaun de jaw ye nuru okura de obetima ye ne say ye mo aban ne ye hye ne keti no onsiesie man na maye ene untumi munam pacha o say ye nyi free untumi meboa Zeza unu se untumi hye ne ma mienu ne betimi do untumi aba abonten ada say obekọ a peace court ama peace court na hwe the case no say de high court no kai no am favor untumi na untumi fa ahokodi meboa ana so mampanyire be pardon no mienu nipa na owo akwanya say meka se munyi untumi mu didi na tem court no nso a owo akwanya say obedi asem no mu so say obu intenchia enti bi wo say we no mu de hyem kina ma untumi ada afiase mo
demonstration
me na me ka kire and now say untumi ATF die pa wo freedom no hwa ba krachi o ka makosem mame sabro wo su mo pa mo nkore enti ti the MPP for ye no omo boa ma untumi case ni kura no ne hwasa ye hi twa Enra Sunya regional minister owura honorable Akwaboa Joseph Kanidin ho me busa ne say papa na omuso omo ye region by region o say muso omo say dia na bi mudi ani muso omo be wo bono region no ehun footage omo famra okay
that's a demonstration course
why we bi me ehwe
oh news
no
a reporter
video
views ni the MPP ye ni mo no ji ni demonstration what TV so dey you am nkasa biem
because some report we dey say munya video
who news some here demonstration na ye reporter the buy
na what video buy
ye video
monyi video ni jere
but say me ba me ka
radio
oh we video already so everything dey be me out pagini kanu me dey agree say omo pesika and free yera Dr. Mahmoud Baumia unse se wo petumi ate se wo yare
1 minute
uti anya ye ne ka se wudi ajanan wo ho beto wa obeye NDC omo anya ne say yo omo start say unity work okay yen kai humum na omo ne na mpanyimfo so na owura kwadwobo su na mfa omo mpanyim mama na odimbi Chairman said Ketia no more ye unity work yen kamom omo ye nkabom ni ye no meka che Ghana for say ya ready say mo fa akunyama ye na Ghana for de akunyama omo eni nti ya de obi ntotoro matwa na MPP e woda ye so pa so mo ba ban mu a
2028
I just say ye mu bi ye wuko ade enso ye te ho na de say gu MPP pa ye free school aba ene omo abo obi anim akenkan we want to intatro nchire obi abiem
okay eti free school no obi anim akenkan de pass da mana na
ye kan say ma me expose say we dey Mr. Mu production for one who news portal bi a ye friend Ghana Today who dey tie
mama manya asem o
who dey tie obi ani ho a obetima siu obi okrom ha Ghana me ma evidence bi December 17, 2017 and omu create sa portal omu creating as Ministry of Education December 17, 2017 no mum hwehwe hwan na na no ye PRO
asefua
of Ministry of Education
asefua
enti ami say minister no hu ye no ano ye say omu fa Ghana nka ho enti ade chi ye December 18th and omu ye no Ministry of Education Ghana Eba February 2nd, 2023. Sana oni hobium. Onu na ne control portal no. And we change call MPP TV.
Okay.
Obi anche date ni yo. February 2nd, 2023. And we change Minister of Education Ghana. E call MPP TV. Go to Facebook, Ghana Today. Tap on it. Go to the history. Tap on the history. You get this information. Nipa wo create here wo tap wo ase okra wo betima hu. Ana eba March 17, 2025. Ano mu change no from MPP TV to Ghana Today. Check from April 2025. to now. That what your common page, network publication, what allegations? Bahama, you say, finance minister, you say, you say, enya no kre. Ado mudi ku ho no mo saa. So na eche no. Eti, wo bo so mo ho no mo create ade no, no mudi ato no. Look, asese ye can say, we obe follow adan. So we media commission we NCA no MPP TV aya change for Ghana today.
Mo be say woni papro ma se etu. Ontro ase dun ketia ho asem. No ontro no bone so ne yefre.
As I say about taking this serious, especially Sam George.
Yeah.
One taking it serious. So Obama cyber security for na bamua. One more because we cannot allow this to happen. And Sadi who created the man, Minister of Education Ghana. Na change about MPP TV. Na babeye Ghana today. Na in some phone. Ana just maybe amututu system. Now them say yes, expose you obono. Wabo di bibi atu oduma na makwa upload usadi we. Akọ omo a eti obi ahu say Ghana today no fake. MPP fake portal. Mo bia mfa bibia ohodo mu serious.
Okay, me da say abusuafo kwasi ade de yanum yi. Abusuafo oyire ne ma ene enna ye wetwe Christ the King ya ewo Enkraha cantonment ena afenso no St George Catholic Cathedral no so ewo Koforidua. Director kan to so ma me anka be me de pa. First anniversary and Thanksgiving mass ye ede ama Dr. Edward Kofi Omaneboama, former defense minister. Afiemu ni na nkwahye hwehwe esi ya ofa asebija hyehyemu a oye onyankopon de enti abusua to onsa e de afre obi bia said Dr. Edward Omaneboama, former defense minister. Ne first anniversary ni Thanksgiving mass no yade a baso na Sunday 9th August 2026 10:30 a.m. and on befrase e Christ the King cantonment eben Jubilee House Enkraha. Address code all white. All white, no. Echna be your home. And then some madrin shall damasosa. When I'm in Sa.
When you say almost invitation we have UP for.
Okay, and you know, Sunday, Yenina, the ni sorry for you, Christ the King, what cantonment, a Jubilee House one dress code, all white, Dr. Edward Omaneboama, former defense minister. Anniversary now, young Broniven, I was here, Mr. Hopeson, Adorye, and I feel so, Mr. Yabema, and what wolf ya also. Only yet name every and Opahoma Chibrim.
On your TV, Mr. Tuna inside the
Aye. Oni Antaro.
Mr. Chu, I saw you careful.
Okay.
I'm a Trahamana boy.
That's it. I was here. One
fuck off him to have my
I was here.
I saw you careful, Mr. Chu. I saw you careful.
Oh, I am coffee every 1 time. I was here for me, didn't know my jaco. Yeah, do be assay. If ya, a Merco, Croncro. Ochna, ya sounds in the wedding, she will be about to do a your friend is a fashion train.